Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 6 ways to create loops in Ruby. Number 1, using the while statement. In this example, I'm initializing the value of I to 1, then using the while loop to print the value of I while I is less than and equal to 4. Number 2, using the while modifier. Here I'm printing the value of I between the begin and end block while the value of I is less than equal to 4. Number 3, using the until statement. In this example, I'm printing the value of I until I is greater than 4. Number 4, using the until modifier. Just like the while modifier, I'm using the begin and end block to print the value of I until I is greater than 4. Number 5, using the for statement. In this example, I'm printing the value of I for I in range of 1 through 4. Last but not the least, number 6, using the each method. Here I'm printing the value of I while applying the each method on the range of 1 through 4. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.